Hey there, have you ever had to troubleshoot a Boon Edam Turnlock 100 full height turnstile? You want an easy fix that may solve all of your problems? Well, today we're going to give it to you. I'm Grizz with the Turnstile crew here at Avant-Garde. We bring you the best tips, tools, and products to keep your organization secure and up and running. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to learn more. We also love hearing your suggestions and questions in the comments. Today, we're going to replace an MCB on your Boon Edam Turnlock 100 full height turnstile. You will begin by unplugging the power cord from the side of the unit and removing your screws to gain access to the terminal strips labeled X1 and X2. Label and disconnect your control wires on X1 from AG2 and AG1, as well as any wires landed on FA2 or FA1. Trace the wire from the PCB to the terminal strip and label and disconnect the 6 wires. I would like to point out that these wires are outputs for door position. This is a great feature on the Turnlock 100. Next, you'll unplug the power connector. Label and unplug the kill switch, rotation switch, solenoid, and LED connectors if applicable. With all of that free, gently pull the MCB out of the top channel. Contact Avant-Garde for your replacement MCB. Installation is reverse of removal.
Three hours later.
Last thing we'll do is power on the unit and test for proper operation or properation. If you need on-site service from one of our turnstile specialists, please contact our service department. If you feel like your turnstile is beyond repair, check out the link in the description for a list of full height turnstiles that are typically in stock at Avant-Garde. Hopefully you found this information useful. If so, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. If you have suggestions, please leave those in the comments below and feel free to message us anytime. Thanks for tuning into the Turnstile, guys. And remember, stick with the pros. We'll see you next time.